Hello AGI and welcome to your Unix based video tutorial. So in this video I'll be discussing about the Unix command split and paste. So the Unix command split, it basically is used to split a single file into multiple files, and on the command line I use split followed by the options and followed by the name of the file. So here in our example case I have input file named test.gff which has a file size of about 2.5 MB. So by default, the split command it splits the file into 1000 lines with a default prefix for the output file starting with X. So as you can see here, when I use the split command on the test.gff, at the output I have around 18 different files that begin with X, and each of them contains about 1000 lines. Then I can use split to divide the file into the required amount of file size that I want. So here I'm splitting the file into 1 megabyte pieces. So for that I use the option -B and followed by the size that I want the file to be split to. And here, as you can see in the output, I have three files beginning with X which have split into 1 megabytes. Then I can also, instead of having the prefix as starting with X, I can choose the name of the output files by typing the name after the input file. So here I have chosen CHR, so I have three files that begin with CHR having file size of about 1 MB. And also I can add numbers as an extension, so for that I use the option -D. So as you can see, after for the output files starting with CHR, they have the extension for the numbers start beginning from 0 to 2. And I can also split the file based upon the number of lines that I want in the file. So for that I use the option -L followed by the number of lines that I want in my output file. So here it is 3000. So each of these output files starting from 0 to 7 have 3000 lines in them. So the next command is the paste command. So this is a pretty simple Unix command with it prints basically lines consisting of sequentially corresponding lines for each specified file. So on the command line I just type paste followed by the options and followed by the name of the file. One thing to note is that in the output the original lines are separated by tabs. The output line is terminated with a new line. So this is a simple example of the paste command. So I type paste followed by the two files, and this is the output file. So you can see the contents of file 1, it has numbers, and contents of file 2 is alphabets. So in the resulting file, when I used the paste command, it prints the two columns side by side, separated by tab. So these were some of the Unix commands regarding split and paste. So you can read more about these Unix commands on the wiki web page, or you can post your questions on the YouTube video link. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.